That UK clearance for emergency use of the Pfizer vaccine now putting some pressure on the FDA, which is seen as not being that far behind. Question is, what do states need to get this thing distributed once it's cleared? Elon Mui has more on that today. Hi, Elon.
Hi, Carl. Well, unfortunately, the vaccine is getting here faster than the funding from Washington. State health officials say they need $8.4 billion to launch this massive public health campaign, and that money would help cover the supply chain and logistics, the technology to track who's been vaccinated, and the sheer manpower that's going to be needed to actually administer the medication.
We at the state level can only carry the ball so far down the field. Congressional support, congressional assistance on this front will absolutely be crucial.
Now, the reality that a vaccine could be here as soon as next week is ramping up the pressure on Congress to just get the money out the door. The latest COVID relief proposal from Senate Republicans included $32 billion for vaccine development, distribution, and stockpiling. A separate plan from a bipartisan group of lawmakers had $16 billion in it. And House Democrats have already approved a bill that had $28 billion in funding for the vaccine broadly. Now, states say the final cost is going to depend on which vaccine ends up becoming the most predominant and how quickly it becomes available to the general population.
Imagine planning an outdoor picnic for you and 1.3 million of your closest friends, but not knowing exactly who was going to show up and how much food you had in the pantry and what you were going to make. That's kind of the process we're in right now.
Now, so far, Maine has only gotten $800,000 from Washington. And Leslie, it is clear that that is not going to be enough.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.